Hello there, everybody. So today I will have to share my comments or any reactions. I know it was really late to have any comments or any reactions about what happened to that Slovenian guy and that Filipina woman. Okay. So that was so really sad, and as also with my experience and everything, I can't imagine that it will happen also for me or for other Filipinas out there. So before I start this video about this Slovenian and that Filipina woman, I will clear myself to be transparent on this issue because it's not so good if you will tell something bad or against them, because personally I don't have any contact with them or I'm not related with them. But I have this comment only because I have also my foreigners partner, and we are also currently here in Europe. So disclaimer, I'm not here to have my reactions to mean those partners that is having a foreigner with a Filipina. Okay. This is so very sad. So sad news, especially in our beloved country. Okay, so I just came from my work. I am from 10 o'clock. I mean 10 in the morning until 4 o'clock. So I just came and I will remove my things on my face. Okay, let's say that on her story, as I watch also their stories, they are already like boyfriend and girlfriend since April, and they got engaged month of July, and they get married. Okay, and this December 22, we don't know also what happened after the marriage. And December 22, Filipina went to Slovenia. We don't know the reason, but of course her husband is there. Maybe they are planning already for their baby or for some business or some things to do as a partner. Okay, but sadly, she lost her life after that 7 days. So like from December 22, she died December 29. So it's like 7 days. Okay, on that news also, that Filipina named Marville is really happy on their video spending Christmas to her husband. The husband, they said there is some mental health issues, and I want to clarify something, that each of us, there is something anxiety, depression on our own self, and we cannot feel that one if you are so happy. But yeah, it's all of us, there is like that on ourselves. Okay, it's up to you how you handle the situation if you're having like that. And yeah, most of the comments, they're telling that this guy is having mental health issues, that's why he did that, or but we are not here to judge. We need to be transparent on the situation. Okay, my advice to all Filipina, why it happened like this, is before you commit to a relationship, you need to know your self-worth, self-love, or you need to know also your partner. Me personally having this British man in my life, he is the one who always telling me that we need time. We are not in a hurry to do some things to be like in one click we will be get married. In one click we need to be together. It takes time. He said like that. It's like step by step to have this marriage life, because somehow you don't know yet. You don't know each other's stories, personality, behavior, everything in daily life. Even sometimes you are always together, still there is some things that you are really shocked that, oh, he did this, she did this, and somehow it really, there is bad happens that you don't expect. Okay, so the time frame or the timeline, I mean, for this relationship, we can say that it's so quick, it's so fast marriage, and but for me, because here, especially in Europe country, they doesn't have these things that is courtship. I don't know to some European countries, but for what I knew, and also from my British guy, he told me that there is no really the standard, or really from other countries, especially in Philippines, we are having those courtship before you entering the real life of marriage. But yes, when I told him that we need to know each other still, you need to court me, we need to have a date, I need to know you more, and he's okay with that. So before we are getting officially boyfriend and girlfriend, he court me, so there is a courtship happened. And until now, there is some surprise things that really also that it's obvious that I am surprised sometimes, but it's not more. There is few things from the behavior, from the way he is, but it's considering that we are still on the process of getting to know more each other, but we are officially like this having a relationship. It's really matter that you need to know your partner. Also, meeting their families is very important. Their friends, their circle of friends, what he's doing, what kind of environment he had before you meet him. So all in all, you need to know each other's all the things. Okay. It's good also to have a partner once you are getting to know each other, that you are seeing each other. I'm not against that Filipina who is having a boyfriend only for social media or dating app, that they are only having video call or chat. I'm not against that, but as long as you are not on the risky relationship, it doesn't matter. But for me, I want that man that is seeing me personally. I am not okay by myself that I will have my boyfriend girlfriend only for not seeing each other. So it's like I want that I'll see you personally, we talk personally, we eat together, we have a date together, we hug, we kiss, and like this. So it's like I want personal to be like seeing each other, not only in video call or chat. So that's the way I am. So whatever justice is justice for Marvel, that is Filipina. I hope it will be like peaceful and have that, peaceful in heaven to be with her. And also I hope that the police will see and clear this kind of crime. So that's it. You need to be careful, everybody. Bye.